Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the obligations to maintain under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 25 and 25 of the said 24 and 25 of the said act deals with the provisions of allowing pedant light and permanent maintenance respectively. In Dr. Kulbhushan versus Raj Kumari and another, the court, while deciding the amount of maintenance, observed that if it is determined based on the facts of each case and declared that if the court enhances or molds the amount of maintenance, then such a decision would be justified. It was further held in the case that it would be fair to provide wife with 25% of husband's net salary as maintenance. Under Section 24 of the Act, if the court considers fit and is satisfied that either wife or husband does not have an independent income, then it can order the respondent to pay the maintenance to the petitioner in accordance with the provisions of this section. Thus, the claimant can be a husband as well. Further, according to the provisions of Section 25 of the Act, which deals with the granting of alimony on a permanent basis, the court may, on the application made by the respondent, order to provide for maintenance either in the form of periodical payments or a gross sum to be provided. Thus, in this case as well, the respondent can either be a wife or a husband. The purpose of interpreting the provision in this way is to avoid the discrimination because both husband and wife are equal in the eyes of law.